Hi guys and welcome back. Today I will be doing a little unbox of the new Shea Moisture Low Porosity Weightless Hydrating line. So right here I'm just opening up the package. I've been so excited to try this. I've never able to try the last one. This comes with 3 products. The first product up is the Shea Moisture Low Porosity Weightless Hydrating Shampoo. Our products are formulated with grapeseed and tea tree oils, and it also has sunflower oil. The shampoo gently cleanses and hydrates your hair with moisture resistant, and this is for curly and coily hair. It is sulfate free and color safe. Next up, we have the Shea Moisture Grapeseed and Tea Tree Oil Low Porosity Weightless Hydrating Conditioner. This also is formulated with sunflower oil as well. This is meant to soften and condition your hair. It is moisture resistant and it's also for curly and coily hair. And lastly, we have the Shea Moisture Grapeseed and Tea Tree Oil Low Porosity Weightless Leave-In Detangler. This also is formulated with sunflower oil. This is used to detangle and prime your hair. It also is moisture resistant, and this is for curly and coily hair. And all these products are also color safe, just so you guys know. All 3 of these products look very promising, and I can't wait to try them on my low porosity, low density type 3B, 3C curls. And I'm just so excited. I'll definitely have a demo coming for you guys very, very soon. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Ciao.